Hey everyone, thanks for joining me tonight. Tonight I'm gonna do again something different. I am experimenting once again. So what I'm going to be doing is just a bunch of puddle pours with a bunch of random colors. I figure I have all these colors in these squeeze bottles, so I might as well try it. There we go, that's better. My camera was really, I guess when you put black base, the camera lightens up. So if I touch it, kind of auto focuses, sort of. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a bunch of puddle pours and then tilt it and see what happens. So I've already put down a layer of black. I used Artist Loft Acrylic Flow black, and then I mixed it with some Floetrol just to get it to a thin consistency. I did not put water in it. I've already popped my bubbles. This was an old canvas that I had done another painting on, and it was total garbage. So I figured at least if I'm gonna do an experiment, try it on an old canvas. So I have a bunch of random colors. There's no rhyme or reason for the colors I'm choosing and the order I am putting them in. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. So let's get started. Yeah, like I said, I really don't have a plan and I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do some random stuff. And my squeeze bottles are coming to a very empty end. So I'm gonna have to at some point refill all these guys. Actually, what I should have done is only one puddle at a time. I think that's how it works. I saw this on, where did I see this? On Instagram, and I thought it was really cool. I wish I remembered who I saw do it, but I have no idea who did it. I don't remember things like that. So, let's see, what next? Maybe some, let's keep it in the blue family maybe. I don't even know what I used. Did I use this? Nope. All right. And so what I'm going to do actually is I'm actually going to put gloves on. You know me, I never really wear gloves. But for some reason when I use black paint and I get it all over my hands, the stuff does not come off. And last thing I need is to go to work at the law firm I work at and have black hands everywhere. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to, yeah, I shouldn't have put the blue blob here at the bottom. Oh, now I'm gonna get all my paint bottles dirty. So that's not good. Anywho, let's keep moving. I think I should have put more in there. Like I said, guys, I'm totally trying this stuff out. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's just all experimentation. Let's go with that. And maybe this. All right. And move this around. And maybe I was starting to think of doing it somehow differently. I may be wasting a lot of paint here for nothing, guys, I tell you. Because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Let's use this one. And some of this. Okay. Let's go for some red, shall we? Red. Let's go. Wow, I'm really making a mess of my bottles here. Yes, I am. Green. Oops, touched it. Let's do yellow. We haven't done yellow yet. This one's a bright yellow. Wow. All right. Sorry, you guys can't even really see what I'm doing, but let's go. Yeah, I really have no clue what I'm doing. Might as well just do a bunch at once. And we'll do some green here. And let's do some orange here. And let's do metallic cobalt blue. And light purple. Alright, let's move this one around. I'm making a rainbow mess, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Okay, I'm really gonna have to clean off my bottles. Oh well. Let's do yellow down here, and some blue, orange. The orange turned out really good. Let's do orange. Let's throw some red in there. We'll do red here, and let's pop some blue over here and here. Phthalo. And let's do orange here. And what haven't I used? Light purple? No, there's a lot of light purple. There's a lot of light purple there too. Dark purple. Dark. Dark. Put some yellow here. And blue. Blue. And there's already a lot of magenta there. Oops. Oops. Dripping off the side. Alright, let's move this one around, see what happens. Yeah, clearly I have no plan and no path here at all. Oh, that's funny. I'm just playing around, guys. Like, I mean, some of you may like this, some may not, but just playing around with some paint in my squeeze bottles. And making a mess of my hands. I think we need something going on in there. Some dark blue. And what's missing? Magenta. And I like this iridescent. Alright, let's move this baby around. That is an interesting mix of colors. Alright. There. I don't even know if this looks good or if this is just a colossal mess. But just messing around with paints, guys. Thought I'd see what I can do with all these squeeze bottles. Ooh, that turned out to be a really nice color there. It's pretty cool. I don't think anything will happen if I torch it other than popping all the bubbles that are in here, which is probably a good idea. Alright, well there you have it. Quick little video, just messing around with some paints and some puddles. So let me know what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out all my social media links, my Amazon shops, my PayPal link, you know, all the fun stuff. And that is it, guys. Let me bring you down for a quick close-up. Here we go. It's kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't really think of it. Oh, I can't think of it. It's on the tip of my tongue. If anyone can think of the word I'm thinking of, put it down in the comments. Hippie. Is hippie the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Anywho, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Just messing with paints. I can't speak tonight, clearly. Have a good night, guys. Until the next one. Bye.